Hey Samsung fans! The Galaxy S25 FE just got teased for an early September launch, ready to steal the spotlight from iPhone 17. Is this fan edition a must-have? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this S25 FE leak. A leak revealed the Galaxy S25 FE could drop on September 19th in South Korea, beating last year's S24 FE timeline. With upgrades like faster charging and a slick new look, Samsung's aiming to outshine Apple's iPhone 17 launch. Want the details? Keep watching. Unlike the S24 FE's November South Korea release, the S25 FE might hit globally even earlier than its September 19 debut. Samsung hinted at this early launch in an earnings call, possibly to clear the stage for their tri-fold phone later in 2025. It's a bold move to grab market share from Apple. The Galaxy S25 FE keeps the 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 8GB RAM, and 4700 mAh battery from its predecessor, but adds 45-watt wired charging, Qi2 wireless charging, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and premium chrome detailing. The 512GB storage option might be axed, and the phone could run on an Exynos 2400, Exynos 2400E, or even MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 if production hiccups occur. This early launch could position the S25 FE as a budget-friendly powerhouse against the iPhone 17. While not a massive overhaul, the faster charging and upgraded camera make it a solid pick for Samsung fans. With a potential global release soon, is this the fan edition to beat? Let's talk about it. The Galaxy S25 FE is almost here, possibly as early as September 19th. Keep an eye out for Samsung's official word. Are you hyped for the new features or bummed about the storage cut? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the Galaxy S25 FE's early launch leak. Are you Team Samsung or waiting for iPhone 17? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.